Hi everyone. Here you're taking a look at eMobile Platform 2.0. It's a responsive design where the entire platform is actually going responsive this year. This is where we add in all of the tools and the text message marketing platform, one of the industry's best mobile website and app builders. In fact, PR Web just came out with a top 10 list of the best mobile website design agencies. And AvidMobile came in at number 3, which is really interesting because although we do custom development of all kinds of mobile websites and apps, the majority of our app development and mobile website and app is done right inside of our builder, right inside of our platform that anybody can utilize. So when we talk about having one of the best mobile web app platforms available to any reseller or on any kind of white labeled program, AvidMobile provides one of the best ones out there, and independent studies have shown that. Our clients have said that, and obviously if you go in and utilize our systems, you're going to be able to see without a doubt that our mobile website app builder is the best in the industry. And when you go out and you show the examples to your potential clients, you're going to be able to close more sales. You're going to be able to close more sales for a higher dollar figure. And you're going to be able to integrate those mobile websites and apps into the text messaging programs, to sell both of those to customers where they have an all-inclusive program, and be able to produce more residual revenue in the future. And obviously by having more clients, you produce more residual revenue. By putting people into the right programs, there's more residual revenue. As their text messaging grows, if you're executing the right programs, you're going to have more success. There is a disconnect in the industry between people that are application providers like AvidMobile, where we provide an application to you and you can utilize that application, and then the disconnect between the application providers, and there's many other ones in the industry, and how to actually execute that application so that in the real world your clients are using programs that are beneficial to their organization, that they actually build databases, that they understand the long-term value of database building, and that they send messages to those customers and their messaging grows and they are happy and they're successful and they're actually driving business. And the disconnect there is between what are the tools provided and the execution strategies that actually take place. We certainly all know the basics of text message marketing and mobile websites and apps, and we all think that we can go out and go to any different provider and they'll give you the ability to set up a keyword on a short code, and that I can go out and sell that to individual businesses. And when I go out and sell that to individual businesses, that they'll put up some signs, and lo and behold, 5 years later, I've had this client forever and ever, and I'm highly successful. The reality is that when people go out and execute these programs, that there's all different levels of execution that are required to actually get their databases to build. Signage in the stores, flyers that you hand to people just aren't enough. We know programs start at the point of sale, and that's what I'm going to be talking about a little bit today, but I'm going to show you how it's executed in the platform. Point of sale means, either you're putting up signage or you're handing people flyers or whatever the case may be to get people to text in. Point of sale can also be executed from a tablet landing page where the hostess or the greeter says, hey, do you want a free appetizer for next time you come in? Type your mobile number in. You'll get an instant environmentally friendly coupon. This can also be done through point of sale systems where we work with salons and all kinds of groups that when they, Chobani's another one, when people walk into an establishment or the service person is servicing that person, where they can utilize their own point of sale system, type in a mobile phone number, send a confirmation text message to every single person that walks in the door, where all they got to do is reply Y to get the instant coupon. And thus they're opting in 30 or 40 people per day per location, which is a huge difference between the 2 or 3 opt-ins per day that other people are getting when they go to other providers and don't execute the strategies that we provide inside of all of our resources and training that you get by being a reseller or a partner of AvidMobile, or if you're a client of AvidMobile, all of the advantages to learning how to execute the right program so your databases do build. Once your databases reach scale, the ability to monetize those databases is incredible, but you have to reach scale with those databases. And then there's all sorts of strategies intermixed with how do we execute those strategies to actually accomplish other goals that we're trying to accomplish. And once you understand all of that, then you're taking that to individual clients. There's a huge opportunity there. So how do we create these keywords? How do we create the kiosks? How do we execute the strategies? I'm going to show you a little bit inside the application, and then I'm going to talk real specifically about one-time redemption mobile coupons, which we are a big mobile couponing company, and we do a lot in the mobile couponing space with franchisors of national salon groups and pizza groups and people like Chobani and all sorts of big retailers internationally. I'm going to show you a little bit about the platform. Here it is, and we're going to jump right into the marketing platform. We're not going to cover these other pieces today. Once you have logged into the SMS platform itself, here are where all of your text messaging tools are. The ability to send out blasts instantaneously, do social media postings, and schedule those out in the future. All your keyword campaigns and advanced configuration, voting and polling, autoresponders, or strings of messages together, text to screen for events, surveys, trivia, text to win contests with all sorts of different variables, and then of course our redeemable module. I'm just going to show keywords and redeemables today in this quick overview just to kind of give you a general idea of how easy it is to be able to create a campaign. When you name a campaign, you name it whatever the store name is or whatever the name of the campaign is. The keyword itself will check against the short code that you're assigned, although if you're on the US you'll get access to multiple short codes. In fact, if you're a tier 3 you'll actually get access to 3 different short codes, which means the availability of keywords is vast. I mean, it's just millions more keywords available so that you can close the right kinds of clients and have that availability plus uptime. So we type in the keyword, whatever it is that we are going to use in this situation, and we'll check it against the short code to see if it is available. Once we've created that keyword, now we can state what the reply message is. Now the reply message is whatever the campaign is. In this case it might just be company name, thanks for texting in, and here is the video requested, and then we put that URL right in there of our YouTube video, and we can drop a short URL in there just by pasting the URL in, and then it will paste that shorten that URL right in there. So here's my Minions video, and I'm going to grab that video, I'm going to pop it right in here, paste it in, shorten it, there's that link right there, and now I can add in my disclaimers, all the disclaimers that I would put at the end of a text message. I can also, if this is a point of sale campaign or something like that, I could always say, while you are here, go ahead and check in on Facebook. And then I could provide the link to their Facebook page right there, and then people would come in, get the text message, watch the video, sitting there watching the Minions, banana, and then they can check in on Facebook because they get that second message right there. So that's the beginning. That's the basics of just a keyword campaign, right? But you can also attach images to it. You can also upload promo codes. We can also set double opt-in features real easily. So if we wanted to do a confirmation message, now this is where the execution really comes into play. For instance, if I'm running a mobile coupon campaign or I'm running a point of sale campaign with anybody, I'm going to utilize their point of sale system where everybody that comes into the gym that day, that they check the person in, and then all the cashier says to them is, or all the attendant says to them is, hey, I just want to confirm your mobile number. And then they type the mobile phone number into a field, which hits our API, which you can actually just give them a kiosk landing page, and they can put it on their computer desktop, and they don't need any equipment at all. And the cashier literally just types the mobile phone number of the person, and instantly that person gets back a text message. Now I just type in the offer or the message that I want them to get right when the cashier sends them the message. 24-hour fitness to get the instant coupon for 50% off. Reply why now. Watch for more, up to 3 per month. Reply help for help, stop to end. This is the first message they get back. As soon as they reply why, then they would get back the coupon for the 50% off, or whatever I had put in the original reply message. Now we're getting people to confirm with a digital signature, TCPA compliant, and we're initiating that right from a tablet, or right from the desktop computer where they're checking people in, or right from the person's cell phone if they're a delivery driver, or right from the service person's cell phone if they're a service person out in the field and don't have a computer or a point of sale system to work with. So there's a variety of methods to be able to get people to opt in at a much greater rate than what other people are utilizing today. There's other advanced features like do not allow repeat hits. So if you're in a traditional keyword campaign and it's a coupon or it's a whatever, and you only want people to get the first message one time, and if they text in again, you don't want them to get that message again, here's the do not reply, and then you would just tell them when they texted in a second time, they would get back this message. Now lead notifications are what we utilize in all sorts of different marketing. We use it with virtual business cards, the virtual business card apps that go on your phone, which are incredible. Everybody that works with us, every reseller, all of your salespeople get a virtual business card app that goes right on your phone. All you do is you go around, you're talking to people, they say, hey, do you got a card? And you're like, sure. And you say, just type your mobile number in right here on my phone. And you hit your app on your phone, and it launches your virtual business card page. They type their mobile number in your app. Instantly, they get a text message with all your contact information, a link to your mobile website where they can actually sign up for your services right there, watch a video about your services, whatever it is that you deliver right back to their phone. Now, when they type their mobile number in your phone, you can get a text message with their mobile number. All you would do is hit Enable Lead Notifications, type your mobile phone number right in that field, and you would get it, or you could have it sent to your email address, or both if you wanted to do that. Enable Email Capture is another program which works really well. Now, different businesses have different things. If you go into a business today and that business is running email campaigns and you know it, what if you called them up and you said, "Hey, John, I've got an idea that I want to run by you that will literally put twice as many opens into your email marketing campaign that you're running today in 90 days. We know how much you love your email, how much you're doing with that. Well, it's easy. All they do is run a point of sale program. As people are walking in, they're checking them in. And the first message those people get back says, company name, reply to this message with your email address. Then you're telling people as soon as they get that text message, reply to this message with your email address. Then every single person replies with their email address, and all we do is select this box, enable email capture, and then we type in this box, thank you for your email, watch for your coupon, or whatever you're going to say in that response. So now we're capturing email. You can take those emails, you can upload that in the email service provider, or we actually have email coming really soon to you that you can sell email along with mobile, which is really awesome. There's all kinds of other things. We can do more than just capture email. We can capture comments. We can allow for people to append their keyword with comments, and we can capture those. So there's a ton of different keyword configurations. I'm next going to jump into our redeemable keyword module, which this is one of the most widely used and one of the easiest ways to be able to get new business is to take somebody and show them the mobile couponing tool, the one-time redemption tool that works a lot like Groupon. So we name the campaign, whatever it is that we're going to name it, the store name, the store location, or whatever, and then we put in what the keyword is. And of course this keyword can be linked to a kiosk or a mobile phone virtual business card or a tablet landing page or a point of sale system or whatever, so that the actual cashier can initiate the redeemable coupon and get people to confirm it with a double opt-in. But I'm just going to show the coupon itself. So now we put in company name, and then we say, so now we've created this campaign. Company name, here's your coupon for a free Apple Next visit with minimum purchase of an entree. Click here to redeem, and you provide that URL. That URL is dynamic. It's different URL for every single individual. When they click that link to redeem, it takes them to the one-time redemption mobile coupon, which we're going to build here in just a second. Now, execution of this is awesome because there's a bunch of free social media impressions that we can get with what we call an incentivized social sharing program. We can even tell them that in the second message. Click the link and share on Facebook for a bonus $5 off gift certificate. And then, of course, we put the standard disclaimers in there. Here's the do not allow repeat hits, so people can't text in and get another coupon back, so we're going to leave that enabled. And now we're going to go down and actually build the mobile coupon. So we're going to go down and select whatever background color that we want. We're going to upload an image. And now I've uploaded the image, and so you can see the site is updated. Now I'm going to type in the promotional description. You can create a terms and conditions page by adding in additional information. Put in the street address of the people so that it shows up on the contact page. Click to call and the address. And then we're going to enable Facebook and Twitter sharing. Then we're going to put in the coupon code for when somebody redeems. And we can display that as a barcode or a QR code. Now we're going to save this campaign. And the coupon will be live. Now I'm going to show you what that would look like in the real world and how it would be executed, and that's the most important part. Now someone comes in and they text in, or it is sent to them from a kiosk, and they reply Y. Then they get the coupon. The coupon says, here's your coupon, click the link to redeem. Puts it as an expiration date, the terms and conditions. It might have a like us on Facebook page, or it might have what I put in the example that I just showed you a minute ago. It might talk to them about why they should share it, because they get a bonus $5 off gift certificate if they share it on Facebook. Now we're going to, when the person leaves the restaurant, they come back in 2 weeks later, they've got the coupon on their phone, the average text message stays on the phone an average of 12 days, and they come in and they show the server or the cashier or the service place, they show the coupon, and they hit the URL. It launches their coupon page. It's got the logo or the image that you want. It's got the offer, has a redeem button, terms and conditions. It will have a page with their phone number and location on it with a map. If you add that in like I did on the last one, and it will have a share button. Let's say they're going to go ahead and redeem the coupon. They hit redeem. It says, are you sure you want to go and redeem this coupon? Make sure the merchant is ready. When they hit OK, then it will then instantly display the barcode or the QR code and the coupon code. It will display the phone number and a timestamp. So this prevents any kind of fraud in terms of, because our system tracks the mobile phone numbers and the timestamps, it doesn't allow people to reuse this coupon. If they go back to the URL and try to see it again, it will show it's already been redeemed with a timestamp. It's tracked in our system so that people can see how many redemptions they have, and it's very easy to use. Now the person can say to the individual, hey, if you go ahead and share that coupon now on Facebook, I will give you the bonus $5 off. All they do is hit share, and it takes them to the share page. They hit Facebook or Twitter. They click Facebook. When they do hit Facebook, now it allows them to instantly post the coupon on Facebook. And they can type in whatever they want to type in, tell somebody about the coupon, tell them, hey, I love this place, whatever it is, and they share it. Within 30 seconds, you can get somebody to share your coupon on Facebook. Now, the average person has about 220 Facebook friends. So let's hypothetically say they share this coupon out there. Their 220 friends see it. Some of those people want it, and so they click it to be able to get the coupon themselves. When they click it, it takes them to this page where they can type their mobile number in, enter the code, hit accept, and instantly their Facebook friend just got that same coupon. What you're doing is posting for free. Out there, you're getting your own customers. You're incentivizing your own customers to share coupons out there in space, and this is free marketing for that business. Imagine if only 10 people per day. A business had 11 locations, and they got 10 people a day to share the coupon by incentivizing them to do so. This requires execution to be able to get people incentivized to do so, and to be able to hand those gift certificates to them, or give another mobile coupon to them if they actually share it and show you. And you can encourage them to do it through the text message itself, like I showed you. 10 people per day at 11 locations represents 110 shares on social media for the day. The average person has 220 Facebook friends. That means 24,000 people in the markets where your 11 locations are get a free impression of your mobile coupon on social media. Out of those 24,000 people that see that, what if we only get 1% of those to actually get the coupon themselves? You're talking about 240 new people that have never seen your business that just got your mobile coupon, that you delivered that to them for free. 220 people, what if only 10 of those walk in every single day? That's 300 new customers that come into your place of business every single month. Calling a business tomorrow and telling them, hey, I want to talk to you about a program that we do that allows your customers that already buy from you to share coupons on social media that can literally get you 20,000 free social media impressions of your coupon per day. When I scale 20,000 impressions per day of your coupon out over 120 days, that's 2.4 million impressions in 4 months on social media of your coupon in the markets that you work to all of the friends of your customers. Out of those 2.4 million people, let's say only half of the people that see it come in and buy from you. That's 12,000 additional transactions over the course of the next 4 months. This is the best new customer acquisition strategy available today, and you guys can be selling this tomorrow. You guys can be taking this to your customers tomorrow, and you can be executing in the manner that I'm talking about. Of course, it gives, now that we're opting people in, we have the ability to remarket to those people, and we can send out text messages to them in the future. No one else can provide this type of strategy, technology, execution, and training on how to accomplish these kinds of goals. Sign up today, become a reseller. Your first month that you go out there and you sign up 10 clients, you've more than repaid yourself the initial investment in starting with the right company that provides the most, that provides the best short codes, that provides the best long-term pricing, that will be your best partner in the future. And our rollout schedule of new development from our in-house development team over the next 4 months is going to blow everybody's mind. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to you being our partner. We'll talk to you soon.